What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a tempered glass screen protector on your Apple iPad Pro M4. So welcome back to the video. My name is Sergio, and in this channel I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Also hit the bell if you want to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, if you want an epic custom phone case like these for your phone, there's going to be a link down below in the description. And with that being said, let's jump right in. All right, so I'm going to show you how to properly install the best kind of screen protector available for your iPad Pro M4. And in my opinion, it is a tempered glass screen protector. And this is because of a few reasons. One, because of the natural aesthetic look that a tempered glass screen protector gives it. Since it is glass-like, once it's installed on your iPad, you will barely tell that it even has a screen protector on there because it will look very natural and feel natural as well. The second reason why I like a tempered glass screen protector is because of the amount of protection that it provides to your iPad. Since it is glass-like, once again, when your iPad takes an impact, the glass of the screen protector will take the impact and crack so that your screen does not. I mean, it's not gonna protect it 100% of the time guaranteed, but from my experiences, it's usually protected at, I would say, about 90 to 95% of the time. And then the third reason is because of the price. So I got this screen protector for about $12 on Amazon. It arrived in one day, and it comes in a nice packaging like this. And it actually comes with two tempered glass screen protectors and two rear camera glass lens protectors as well, along with your cleaning cloths, instructions, and this little squeegee board thing to help remove air bubbles when installing. All right, so let's get started with the screen protector installation process. So let's lay the iPad down on a flat surface. Okay, so the first thing we're going to open up is the cleaning cloths over here. So let's rip this open. And here we have the wet wipes, the dry wipe cloth, and a dust absorber sticker. All right, so first off, we start with the wet wipe. This will remove anything sticky on your screen. If you don't have anything super dirty or sticky on your screen, you may skip this step. Okay, so go ahead and use the wet wipe up and down the screen through all sides, focusing on removing anything that may be sticky on your screen. Okay, so step number 2 is the dry cloth. So we're gonna go ahead and use the dry cloth in the same way, up and down, side to side, and around all of the edges of the entire screen, and try to remove any leftover dust particles that may be on the screen. All right, so once the screen looks super clean, we can go ahead and stop. And then the dust absorber sticker is just in case if there is any dust left over on the screen, we can use it to remove any final pieces of dust. So you just peel it out, and wherever you see dust on the screen, you just stick it on there and remove it. The dust will stick to it since this is a sticker. Let's go ahead and turn the screen black so that we can see the dust better. And there you go. The screen looks super clean now. In the event that while you're gonna position the screen protector on the screen, if any dust particles fall on the screen, you can also simply just blow on it. Since the screen is dry, it will usually just fly right off. So another thing that the package comes with is this plastic bracket, and this is to help you position the screen protector on the iPad Pro. So let's go ahead and place this down. Okay, push it down on all sides. All right, and then next up, we're just gonna position the screen protector on top of the iPad Pro. Remember to place this side over here that has this opening for the cameras on the correct side where the cameras are on the iPad. So right now I do have the cameras up here, so I'm gonna be placing it just like this. Okay, and then once we're ready, we're gonna go ahead and peel down now the sticker over here to remove it from the tempered glass. Okay, while you're peeling it down, you can go ahead and position one of the sides over here of the tempered glass. Position it on this side, okay? And then we can go ahead and remove the rest of this film, just like that. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and let it drop gently onto the screen of the iPad. You may need to reposition it a little bit while it's dropping to make sure that it falls on there perfectly. But this plastic frame that comes with it does help immensely in positioning the screen protector properly. Yeah, so as you can see, there's one giant air bubble right here. So I'm gonna try and squeeze this out with this squeegee board thing. Just do it slowly and gently. And there you go, it is completely out. Let's go around the entire screen to make sure there are no more air bubbles. There's actually another one right here. I'm gonna move this one to the top over here. And there's another air bubble over here on the side. Just do it slowly. And then just go around the entire screen, pushing it down to just give it some extra help in sticking onto the actual screen of the iPad. All right, so when you have air bubbles on your iPad, you just gotta continue with this little board. Just continue trying to push it out. And eventually they will go out. So just keep doing it for a few seconds or a few minutes. Okay, the other thing you can do is, if you're not able to get it out with this board, is you can gently peel up on the screen protector on the side where that's closest to the air bubble, and then lay it back down, pushing the air bubbles as you lay it back down. All right, but as you can see, there are no air bubbles on this iPad Pro M4. The screen protector was installed successfully, and you can barely tell that there is a screen protector on here. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to install the rear glass camera lens protector. Super simple. We're gonna go ahead and grab our camera lens protector, which is this right here. We're gonna repeat the same process just to make sure it's clean, free of any sticky dirt or dust particles. Okay, once it is properly clean, we're gonna go ahead and position the camera lens protector right above it, how we're gonna install it, which is like this. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and just peel it off from this film. Okay, it is sticky, it does have some adhesive, so we're just gonna position it like this on the camera lens. Position the top side first, and then with your other finger, just give it some pressure downwards. Like that, and then once it's properly positioned above the cameras, then just give it some pressure by pressing down on it so that it can use the adhesive to stick to the cameras. And there you go. All right, everyone, so that is how you install a tempered glass screen protector on your Apple iPad Pro M4. Go ahead and hit that like button. If you enjoyed the video, comment down below and let me know. And that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.